What's up guys, I'm Kenny and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the team. Don't forget to click that bell so you never miss a video. I'll wait 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so today we're back on the Envoy again and I'm going to be cleaning the throttle body. Because the last time I was doing the spark plugs and everything, I noticed it had a lot of carbon buildup. So what I'm going to do is remove this air box, and then once we get to the throttle body itself, we have a couple of harnesses here and a vacuum line maybe. Don't know, I'll have to wait and see. And just a couple of bolts. So let's get started. Alright guys, you can see here, see how the throttle position is off? See, the plate should be way down there, and then you can see all that carbon buildup. So it needs to be reset, the throttle position does. And the easiest way to do that is to unhook the negative on the battery for 30 minutes. So while we got this off and everything, it'll be sitting and reset. So I'm gonna unhook the battery, and then we got 4 10mm bolts and this harness, and it should come off. But you got to be careful when you take it off and not to tear the rubber O-ring seal it has, unless you plan to replace it. So first off, I'm gonna hook the battery and then we'll get to it. So this vacuum line here just has a little tab that you push down and then it slides off, and see it has a little flare on, a little bubble that locks. And then this harness just has a clip. Now we got that, now we can unbolt it. Alright guys, she's nasty. See this rubber seal here? You don't want to mess that up or you'll have to replace it. Okay, so I went and got some CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner. So I'm gonna get like a bowl and set that down in a bowl and spray it and scrub it, and then we'll be done and we'll see how that goes. Actually surprised how good that's working. Needs a little bit of scrubbing around through there, but most of it just sprays right off. Well guys, here we go. A lot cleaner than it was. I'll be honest with you, I was surprised at how easily it came off as a spray. But if you notice, it leaves like spots on there if you don't get it off, wipe it off before it dries. And it was eating holes through my rubber tote, so probably shouldn't be getting this stuff on my skin, which too late now. So now it's ready to slap it back on there, and we'll see how it works. So guys, that's pretty much all there is to it. Now I'm not going to bore you with test driving it and see if it really made a difference or not, but the symptoms I was having is like a hesitation when I would hit the throttle, or a delayed throttle response. Sometimes it would idle a little rough, but not always. But that's pretty much how it is. That's all you got to do. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment. You know, if you go and do this, I want to know about it, or say there's a better way or technique that you use and you would like to share that idea, go ahead, comment down below. But I'm gonna have to wrap it up for today, so see you next time. Bye.